Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for UK Visit Visa from USA as a student. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to determine is the type of visa you need. So since you are a student, you are most likely applying for a standard visitor visa for the UK. So this visa allows you to visit the UK for tourism, short-term study, or to attend a conference. If you're looking to study for more than 6 months, you'll need to apply for a student visa instead. So just see which one you need. So if it's more than 6 months, you need a student visa. If not, you can just go for a standard visa. So we need to go ahead and check the visa requirements. So before we begin the application process, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for a UK visit visa. You'll generally need to show you intend to leave the UK at the end of your visit, prove you have enough funds to support yourself during the stay without working or needing public funds, have a valid passport or within at least 6 months left before it expires, and also provide information on your travel plans, including accommodation and flight bookings. Then from here, we need to go ahead and apply online. So to apply online, come to this site here. I'll just paste it in again. So gov.uk, apply UK visa, and then hit enter. It's going to take you to this page. And now scroll down and it says choose a visa. Keep scrolling through. Now, if you're traveling through the UK, skip that. If you want to study, this is where you want to look into. Now, as I said earlier, if you're there for less than 6 months, a standard visitor visa lets you do a short course or study that lasts no longer than 6 months. But a student visa is usually for a longer course. So you must be sponsored by a licensed college or university and have a confirmed place. On this visa, you may be able to do some work as well. And also they got children's student visas here, which is designed for 4 to 17-year-olds who want to study at an independent school. If you're over 16 years of age, this visa lets you do some work as well on top of that. So now choose which one you want to click with. If it's a student visa, click on a student visa. I'll give you an overview and when to apply. Have a read of that. How long can you stay? And at the bottom of it, they got the fees here, how much it's going to cost you. And if we keep scrolling down, it will say what you can and cannot do. And then from here, click on next, your course. So as it says here, you must have an unconditional offer or a place of a course with a licensed student sponsor. To prove this, your educational provider will send you a reference number called a confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, once they've offered you a place on the course. You need a CAS before you can apply for your visa. Then it gives you a rundown of courses you can study. And then your confirmation of acceptance, and then click onto next, money you need. So now it's pretty much just keep going through all these different pages. So they're going to give you a rundown. So money you need, you must have enough money to pay your course and support yourself in the UK. The course fee, money to support yourself, as I stated earlier. And then next, you need to do knowledge of English. So yeah, just keep going through all them. And also, before you start, you want to prepare your documents. So you'll need to provide various documents as part of your application, such as a passport, proof of financial support, proof of study, your travel itinerary, accommodation details, purpose of visa, and all that stuff. And then, yeah, submit your biometrics, attend your appointment at the UK Visa Application Centre to provide your biometric details, fingerprints and photographs. And then from there, you simply just need to wait for the decision. So once your biometrics have been submitted, your application will be processed. This typically takes around 15 to 20 working days, just depending on how busy they are. It might be quicker if there's not too much happening. But if there's a lot of travel, these times can blow out a little bit longer. And if there's any further documents that you need, they'll reach out to you in this time as well. So now, if your application is approved, you'll receive your visa and can travel to the UK. This visa will specify the length of your stay and any conditions attached to it.